Woo, guys. This is crazy. I did not expect to be doing this. So if I'm a little off right now, you'll have to excuse me here. This is like literally an emergency. We have to do this like whoa. We did not expect something like this to happen. So hopefully we do get some people hopefully YouTube gets the notification out. And I know it's like late. I mean, this is insane, but I have to come on here and we just have to talk. I know hopefully people hey, what's going on, guys? Oh my god, man. If you look at my eyes right now, I was like, whoa. I was like literally I was literally in bed. As you can see, I probably got the old bags underneath the eyes. Uh I was like literally laying in bed. And I was literally just talking to Tony Market Moves on Twitter. Me and him was talking back and forth about some things. And I'm literally laying there and I get the pop up because I got George on Twitter with like, I got George on Twitter with the notifications. And I see I got the Twitter notification and I look at it and it's George. And I'm like, whoa, this is like not like what I was expecting. For me now, it's 12:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So now technically I guess it's Saturday morning technically. Because I gotta say, welcome in everybody. Like I said, I'm just really shocked. I don't even know what's going on. I got on here as quick as I could. I made the thumbnail. I don't even know what's going on. I just like I had to get on here. We got to talk. I don't know what's going on. I'm just like so shocked right now. I got like the jitters, man. I don't know. I got this excitement. I just like, you know how it is like when you're tired and you get that like crazy news. All right, so real quick, here is the freaking tweet, man. George just tweeted this. Here you can see November 19th at 12:04, and I'm here on the live stream like literally 10 minutes later after the tweet because wow. This is just insane. Thank you, Yazir, for the super chat, man. Thank you so much. All right. Now I went over here to the SEC Edgar, and it has the filings on here, but I'm not seeing it on here for MMTLP. So unless I'm at the wrong spot, but I thought it'd be here at the SEC Edgar is what I thought. Yes, Georgia's tweet says S1 is now effective. So I got to go back here and see. Oh man, guys. Like I said, this is an emergency live stream. There's George replying back. No, we literally just started, man. I got to go find the SEC Edgar link. Maybe it's not updated yet. I mean, if they literally just got it effective, maybe George got like the notification. I'm seeing if anyone in here. I like this here. I just jumped out of bed. That's me. I literally just jumped out of bed too, man. That's me. I appreciate everyone in the chat. I'm sorry if I am missing everyone's chat, but I promise you I'm gonna go back and rewatch this. I was seeing if anyone posted the actual link. Like I said, I don't know if they have updates. Wrong spot, Barry says. If anyone has the actual link and can put it in here, that would be great. George there, thank you for all the positive energy. All right, I think the link was on, I think, Roller Pigeon's page before. Roller Pidge. I should have had this link ready, but like I said, usually, you know, us YouTubers have time to prepare to like get it ready, but yeah, didn't have time to prepare. I'm sure there's a tweet out here with the link. Hey Mike, thank you so much for the super chat. Yes, 911 breaking news. Here it is. Still, this is the link that Roller Pigeons has up right here. Oh, Nextbridge hydrocarbons. And it doesn't have it on here yet. So, let's see. Rick says he was baking cookies. Yeah, I'm live now. So I got one of the Facebook groups message me. I'm letting them know I'm live because I know, like I said, this is just like crazy. Someone says, here's the link. Yeah, because this is the one Roller Pigeons has up for Nextbridge. And there's nothing on here yet. Nothing on here yet for it, so. And it's not on here. Let's see. Yeah, oh man, like I said, welcome in everybody. This is, I can't believe we got this many people on here. Like, George, where's the link, my man? All right, let me see if I can shoot George a message since he's active real quick, guys. Let me see if George will respond to me on Twitter and see if we can get a response. That'd be pretty cool. Hey, George. I'm live on YouTube. Do you have the link to the filing? Okay, we'll see if we get a response. I did message George over Twitter, guys. And we will see if we get a response. That'd be pretty sweet. Let me go back to the chat. See if we can find anything here. Because that's weird. It's not on either of these here. And I don't know if he got some kind of notification that's separate from these two here. I think it would be on this. Still filing date 11/9. And we haven't got no updated dates yet. Let me get back here to the chat. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm not all with it right now. I do have to apologize. I just wanted to get on here ASAP and get with you guys. All right. Let's make sure I didn't miss anything. I'm just kind of mumbling right now. If everyone's asking, like, what's going on, it's because I'm kind of mumbling. Let me get the... I'm hoping we get some kind of, like, update. I'm just here to celebrate with you guys. Even though we don't have the official link or anything yet, I'm just excited for this weekend, man. I'm just kind of following what's going on here on... I don't believe the volume's low. All right. Can everyone drop a comment below? Is the volume low or I'm just talking? I think I'm probably talking low if I have to say so, guys. Yeah, I think it's probably just me talking low. Just seeing if anyone here... Oh my God. All right, refresh and see. Sounds fine. Okay. Seeing if any of the other people here have a link on it. And I don't see any new links out there. Seeing if anyone has... Okay, cool. Seeing if anything is... I'm pretty sure, guys, this is the one, like the SEC Egger. And there's nothing since the 9th. So let's just click on this one and see. Yeah, the dates are still blank on this. The dates are still blank on this one that's on here. So I don't think it's updated on the Egger. And I don't know when that'll show up. I believe, in my opinion, both stocks are going to run on this. Just my personal opinion. Like I said, I could be right or wrong. but something is definitely going to happen here. I mean, George's tweet's only been out for a little bit, and this is literally like, maybe. I'm hoping to get a response from George. I don't know if he will. He usually does respond to me. Yeah, that is a good point here. Person in the comments says, one day after the inauguration, the SEC drops the big news. So that's pretty amazing. And I just keep refreshing these pages, hoping like we get something, like something updated here. Hey, Dustin, thank you for support, man. Why does he say the effective has to be opposed to approved? Still 11.9, 11.9. No update yet. No update yet. Yeah, this is pretty exciting. I'm not going to lie. Even though we can't look at the filing yet, just to have this here is like amazing, guys. Like I said, I just had to get on here, and yeah, I'm just super stoked. We got it official here from the man himself, George. It could be time zones. I don't think George was hacked. I seriously doubt that. Pull up Twitter again. Seeing if we get any. Yeah. All right. I'm just seeing. Johnny, thank you so much for the super chat. We're forming an LLC. Yeah. Yeah, we definitely are. I just want to say welcome in, everyone, man. This is, even though it don't seem like we have, even though it doesn't seem like we don't have the link officially here of what's going on, George just confirmed it himself. So I don't really know. Yeah, man, it could be, we could be planning the Meta Cruise, the Meta Vegas trip. Let's go on to StockTwits and let's just browse this baby together and see. Guys, right now, with this excitement, and I believe we could be possibly like trending. I mean, I would think MMTLP is going to start trending here. Yeah. I would think it's going to start trending. Brian, thank you so much, man. I've been just staying here, keeping everyone positive. Because I really truly believe in this play and what it's going to do. And that's why I've been here the whole year, covering it for like when it was $1.50 for a year. Yeah, I mean, I think we're going to start trending very quickly. If someone can share my video in StockTwits, that would be amazing. So the people on StockTwits know I'm live. Like I said, I know this is, maybe William can do that. I know William's pretty good about that. If William can post that since I'm here live. Yeah, StockTwits is just going crazy right now. And let's go to the rankings. Trending, most active. And I think this updates like every hour. So I believe this will update here in very shortly, within the next hour. It'll probably update. Wow. Oh, there you go. Someone put it out there. Thank you so much. PhD Design, man. Thank you all so much for sharing that. I appreciate it, man. Guys, we're just freaking here to celebrate. I mean, this is what we've been waiting for, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Yes. Everyone coming in right here. George's tweet at literally at 12:04. Boom. S1 is now effective. Now, when this is going to show on the SEC Edgar here, I don't know. Unfortunately, it's not on the Edgar, and I don't know when that'll update. Will it update Monday? Chris, I wish I had a bottle of Mad Dog. I wish I did have the bottle of Mad Dog. Oh, man, I wish I did have it. I wish I did have the bottle of Mad Dog. I'm like, literally, guys, like, no joke. Like, I'm not even joking right now. Like, if you can see me, I'm like literally shaking. Like, I'm literally like excited. I'm shaking. Like, this is something we've been covering since like day one, you know, October 7th, 2021. And we finally got the S1 as effective. Like, holy smokes. Like, this is just amazing. Mitchell Williams, thank you so much, man. Amazing average cost at 0. You cannot beat that. I'm literally like, just like, oh my God, I can't even like, woo. If my wife wakes up, she's going to be like, where in the hell did he go? She knows how invested I am into this with, you know, with the MetaFam, MMTLP, MMAT. She knows I'm truly invested into this. And for me to get up at like 12 midnight where I live at, I'm on the East Coast. I'm here in Maryland. Yeah, so this is pretty amazing. Does your wife think you're mad? No, she don't think I'm mad. She'd probably just be like, oh, something must have happened. They had to go over there and do a live stream on. Yeah. I'm thinking, honestly, we're going to start seeing some interesting stuff next week. It's going to be exciting times. Just keep refreshing it, hoping to get something here. And fortunately, there isn't no update on the SEC. No update yet. Let me see if... All right. Go back here to the chat. So I just shot George another message. Hoping to get a response. I can't say if he's going to reply or not reply, guys. I don't know. But I asked him, like, when is it going to show up here on the Egger website? If they just got the notification, when will it show up? So hopefully we get a response from George. This will be pretty amazing. Yeah, I'm getting messages from everyone, man. Everyone's so excited. All the people I've been talking to, it's just an amazing time right now. Like I said, I'm just so shocked that we're finally here. And this tweet of George's is just like going berserk, man. I'm just like, Johnny, man, thank you so much. Let's freaking go. Yes, absolutely. Let's go. This is what we're talking about, man. Yes. We are literally going to be torching the shorts. Well, while we're here, Smokey is Smokey might be. I can't blame him. I cannot blame him. If I had a bottle of Mad Dog, I would be taking a shot right now. But unfortunately, I do not have any of that here. So, yeah. Ooh, this is amazing. I would love to see this filing update. I would love to see this filing update pop up on here, man. This would be amazing. This would truly be amazing if we can get an update. What do we got here? Yeah, it might update Monday because this literally, if it got approved here, like, I mean, let's just call it Friday night at midnight. Like, let's say this got approved Friday night at midnight, technically. It might not even show up to Monday. I mean, that's possible, guys. It might not even show up. It could show up, yeah, in the Monday morning pre-market. It could show up there. That's very possible. Absolutely. Yeah, when we get it, the date should be on it. Yeah, exciting stuff here. Yeah, man. This is just like, oh my God. Okay, yeah. All right, so yes, Bird Lady just put out a thing here on YouTube, guys. Let's go look at what she said. And this will sum up what is going on here. Let's go to my community. And let's see here. Bird Lady. And let's go to her community. Here she goes. So she posted this 7 minutes ago, guys. Let me get back here to the video. There we go. I appreciate everyone being here, man. We almost got 350 people. Let's go. All right, so here we go. I got it back here for you guys. All right, so she says the S1 has been approved and is effective. Expect to see filings Monday. Check here, and this is the website. She's going to make a video tomorrow, guys, so we all got to make sure we get it. She's going to make a video tomorrow. If you see a comment that looks like me in the WhatsApp number, that's a scammer bot, not her. Guys, you know, for that, do not, don't fall for any scammers in the WhatsApp and things like that. So, yeah, we'll probably get, as she says here, the update on Monday. So, there we go. I just was like hoping this thing would pop up on here, but they probably won't get the filing out. So, Monday, the countdown begins. Once we get those official dates, the rats will scurry. And keep in mind, guys, we have one thing that the shorts and those market makers don't have, and that is time. They have a time that's going to start counting down when those dates are in that filing. We can hold through and go to Nextbridge. They cannot hold a short position going into a private company. They have to cover. And if they don't cover, the market makers and the brokers are going to force close their positions, and all hell will break loose. So that's going to be the amazing, amazing thing to see. It's going to be amazing, amazing, amazing. All right. So let's just go over here. What's going to happen? I think we're going to, number one, see a lot of excitement come Monday. Monday and MMAT here the last 2 days. What we think happened is market makers. Actually, let me pull up MMAT because we probably are not going to see. So let's look at MMAT stock. All right, so here you go. Look at the 1 day down 6. Let's look at the 5 day. So even on the 5 day, guys, it's still up like 24, almost 25% in 5 days up. Like even after this dip. I mean, but if we go over the 5 day, I mean, they had us up here to $1.95 on Wednesday the 16th. And they took us down 15% basically in like 2 days. Because they did not want this. They teased us. They did not want those $2 options to get in the money on MMAT. So they teased us. They got us up there. And everyone started buying those $2 calls. And then they say, now let's short it. And let's put out the synthetics. And that's exactly what they did. They drove it from 195 down to 166. So there we go. This is pretty much what's going to happen. So there's going to be a lot of excitement. I think, like I said, people's excited for what's going to happen here. I'm very excited. Man, yes, I agree. Jimmy likes eggs. We all going to be rich. Yes, man, I have a good feeling. Yeah. Oh man, guys, I just like I had to come on here and talk. Like I literally, if you watch like the first, even my eyes right now may be a little baggy, but literally, if you came on here and saw me the first 5 to 10 minutes, whoo, your boy was rough. Your boy was rough. Yeah, man, it's gonna be exciting. I cannot believe Mr. George out here with the S1 is effective tweet at midnight. Let's freaking go. Got a super chat from Craig Dubs, man. Thank you so much, brother. He says, if you plan on buying one last time, might want to get this order in now. First come, first serve. I may do a stop buy with my remaining funds I planned on buying. Craig, that's a phenomenal plan. I think there's going to be a, what do I want to say here? Monday morning, the brokers and the market makers are going to have a lot of people wanting to buy. That's for sure. A lot of people wanting to buy. Our girl Jenny here, she says the shorts won't sleep tonight. Yeah, it's going to be exciting times. And someone here, Ordinary Angler, says, I am shaking. I am still shaking. I've been live streaming now for like 25 minutes. And I'm literally like, my fingers are cold. Like, I wish y'all could just feel how cold my fingers are. And like, this is like, what the heck I've been waiting on since this has all started. That's why I've been out here doing those daily videos for over the past year, telling you guys how much this is truly going to mean and what it's going to do. And it's like, yes, we did it. We're finally here. We are here. And I mean, it don't get more official than Mr. George Pelicaris. In George we trust, man. I have it back there pretty much in all the videos. They just had to get it right, guys. They had to get it right. And I think they were probably waiting on FINRA. I believe in Ali's video, he talked about FINRA. Or was it roller pigeon? I don't know. Roller pigeon or Ali mentioned about we got to wait on FINRA. Because they did mention with the FINRA, they got to make sure that, you know, this is not tradable once it goes private. Because that's what happened at first. When Torch merged to MMAT, the shares were in street name and it was transferable in the filing. So you know darn well they're not going to let that happen again. So they are definitely working eye to eye with FINRA very closely to make sure when those dates expire, game over. So that is what's going to be exciting. So yeah, let's just go back and take a peek. Probably won't get any updates tonight. But I just wanted to get on here and talk with you guys because it is like still just so exciting. Yeah, the 9th, nothing there. And nothing there as well, the 10th. So yeah, I don't know what's going to happen here, man. I don't know how it's going to work out with the dates and all, because we got, you know, Thanksgiving and everything like that. I appreciate everyone's like support, man. You don't even know, guys. I appreciate everyone's support. I love reading these comments. I probably will come back and like read over the comments like probably tomorrow when I'm a little bit more awake. And maybe like the SEC or FINRA just got the message back to George. That's probably what happened. Maybe they gave him a late night notice. And now all of us meta millionaires are going to be thinking about this like all freaking weekend, including your boy here. And like, how in the hell are we going to be able to buy more? How are we going to be able to even buy more of this? Because we want to put the pressure on the shorts. Because we can buy here at $9 and $10 and hold into Nextbridge. And we're pretty darn confident that we're going to be getting more than $9 and $10 per the dividend. I mean, of course, it's not financial advice. We could be completely wrong on our calculations, the due diligence. That's always a possibility. But I'm like 95 freaking percent sure and 99% sure that this thing is going to pay out amazing on the dividend if we hold the Nextbridge. And that we should have a freaking huge short squeeze leading up to that distribution date, the record date. Yeah, so, woo, man. Guys, this is just, I think I'm finally done shaking now. About 28 minutes, 29 minutes into the stream, I think I'm finally done shaking because I was so excited. I was so excited. Well, I guess while we're here, I didn't do a video tonight. I was going to do a video tomorrow. Well, maybe I will. I just want to take this night and celebrate with you guys. We'll go over, I'll do the video tomorrow. We'll go over the short interest, all that short information on MMTLP. We'll look at more stuff on MMAT. Yeah, guys, you don't even know. Smashing the thumbs up. Leaving a comment on the actual video really helps out a lot. You don't even know. Getting this information out there. Let's see here. My buddy Wedge sent me a link. Okay, cool. Thank you, Wedge. My buddy Wedge there on Twitter sent me the link, and it is the same one that Roller Pigeons has out. Yeah. All right. Now, I don't know if it'll let you... Yeah, since we're currently live, it won't let you leave a comment on the actual video until the video is posted, and then you can leave a comment. But anyone coming in here, watching the live stream, seeing how active the chat is, man. Yeah. Exactly. I mean, right there, in George we trust. The man is a man of his word. Now, guys, let's face it. George, like, did not have to come out and do this tweet. He did not. He did this because he loves the Meta fam. He loves us investors that has stuck by his side during this journey. That the man is out here. Now, I don't know what his time zone is and what time it is where he's from, but it's a Friday night. It's 12:47 a.m. where I'm at. It was 12 midnight for me when this tweet originally came out. And George is up late at night sending this tweet out because he cares about us. That's why he's doing it. And that's my true opinion. George cares about us. So he's putting out this tweet to let us know that we can celebrate all weekend. To celebrate all weekend, that's what we're going to do. Oh my God, guys. I just cannot wait. I cannot wait. George probably got drunk after the grand opening. Woo. Okay, so let's just go over a couple quick things. I think we're going to see some really exciting action on MMTLP come Monday, especially once the SEC filing comes out and the dates are in there. That's going to be real exciting. So, after the dates are in there, I think we're going to see some wild price action come Monday. If that filing comes out Monday, the fireworks will be off, and I can see people, depending how high it goes up to, people could be taking some profits buying MMAT because, I mean, MMAT now is down $1.66. I mean, it's on a dip right now. And we pull up MMTLP on the Yahoo Finance. $8.90. And we had really low volume today. I mean, super, super low volume. 306,000 shares. 306,000 shares only was traded on MMTLP today. What was the MMAT? MMAT actually it ended at $1.65 after hours here, according to Yahoo Finance. Actually, 7.2 million in volume actually is what hit MMAT. So pretty decent volume. I mean, not too far off. About 1.3 million in volume. Yeah. I mean, the markets you see here today, markets are fairly green overall in the indices. Yeah. So pretty good. Yeah, I did hear that some brokerages will not let you buy. Won't let you buy, won't let you sell. MAT calls at $5 for January 2023 are going to make me rich. Yeah, man, those calls. I got some calls. I got the January of 2024. No, January 2025, I believe is what's out now. Yeah. January 2025, 50-cent strike. I bought those MMAT calls. So if we get a huge run in MMAT, yeah, those options should print pretty good. Oh no, Barry, you sold some MMTLP today? Well, the key word is you said some, not all. I mean, hey, guys, everyone has... I'm never going to be mad at anyone for selling at any price. I'll never be mad at any of you guys. While we're here on the live stream, I just want to go over my thoughts and opinions on... Let's just talk about finances in general. Let's just talk about finances in general. And we're going to leave up this S1 as effective because that is the best thing that I've seen right there. Okay, let's talk about finances in general. First of all, I will never judge anyone for selling MMTLP or MMAT if you need the money. I will never judge anyone. There is never anything wrong with selling and taking some profits. I agree with that. I think it was the other day, it was that guy on Twitter, is his name Timothy, has 300,000 followers, and he put out a tweet about he sold MMTLP for $1,000 profit. And I'm like, that's okay if you did that. I just wouldn't want someone like him to announce something like that, because he could influence someone to make a poor decision in selling the stock. Because this guy has 300,000 followers, he could influence someone, because this guy sold, maybe I should sell too. And that's why I did my comment to him. I didn't mean anything bad by it. I'm like, it's okay if you sell, just don't publicly post about it, because us YouTubers that have been following this, we've been busting our butts to really keep people informed. I'm never going to tell you whether to buy or sell the stock. That's up to you. But I want you to stay educated, keep your conviction in, because that's one thing that these shorts want to do. They want to have time pass by. They want you to get bored. They want you to think that this is never going to happen. And could you imagine if there was no YouTubers out there keeping you positive, keeping you informed of what's going on? Do you think you would have held on as long as you did? I mean, could you imagine that? We all need a little bit of assurance now and then. Absolutely. We all do. So yeah, like I said, I'll never care if any of you all, Barry, I still love you, brother. I don't care if you sold half your shares, all your shares. You're still here. You're in MMAT. I love you, brother. There's no problem with selling. You got to have money for the family. Inflation's high right now. Times are tough. Never know someone's finances with rent, mortgages, car payments, insurance, gas, groceries, all that stuff's freaking outrageous. We all need some money. So I'm never going to be mad at anyone for selling. So that's the first thing. I just want to get that out there. Next thing is, I believe it was Syntax's video where she made a very good point. And, Craig Dubbs said MMTLP is number 1 on StockTwits. Let me go here to rankings. Boom, baby, number 1. Craig, man, thank you so much for the super chat and letting me know, brother. All right, yes. There we go. All right, let's leave that up there. We are trending number 1 on the StockTwits. All right, guys, so let's keep going here as we're trending number 1 on StockTwits. That's beautiful. Okay, so Syntax made a good point, and I want to touch base on this. And I just want to let you guys know, Syntax made a very good point. She says, I hope everyone in this play, in a sense, will still be the same, still be very humble of who they are, because there's going to be a lot of people out of this play that is possibly going to come into a lot of money. That's very possible. If these price predictions hit, what we are thinking that these prices could go to, there's a lot of people literally going to be future meta millionaires. I know it's a catchphrase, but I really think there's a lot of people that's going to become meta millionaires. And that's whether you have enough MMTLP to get there, or you take the double squeeze route of you buy your MMTLP, you sell it at a huge profit, you buy MMAT down here at $1.60, maybe $2, maybe $2.50 if we get a run up, and then MMAT runs up to $7 to $10. You get that double squeeze effect. And then you sell that, and you may, could be a meta millionaire. Maybe you're like a thousandaire, man. Maybe you get $100,000, $200,000. So I want you to know, I'm always going to stay grounded. I'm still going to be the same Terry Yunker that you know here on YouTube. I'm never going to change who I am. No matter how big my channel gets, I'm still going to be the same old guy. And I'm going to talk about one thing that kind of bothered me. One big YouTuber, and this is where it gets into what Syntax said. A lot of people's going to come into a lot of money. A lot of people's going to get probably pretty wealthy off this situation. That you got to respect who you are and the people that support you. And I'm always going to respect the Meta fam. So there was a video 2 days ago, Financial Education Jeremy put out. I really like him. I watch his videos a good bit. I watch his videos. I watch Clear Value Tax, watch Meet Kevin, watch a lot of the bigger YouTubers. I watch Zip Trader, and that Financial Education had a video out, and I was watching, and he was talking about he needed a Charlie Munger to keep him grounded because he's invested into a lot of stocks. He's lost millions and millions of dollars in this bear market, and he said that he only wants someone that he respects to he only wants someone that he respects. Okay, so what does he describe as someone that he respects? Someone that has 6 figures and preferably 7 figures to be his stock market friend. I find that highly bullshit. If you go to that video, I have a comment on there, and I basically lost a lot of respect for him. I think that's very shallow of a big YouTuber for, number one, probably a lot of his subscribers and viewer base that watches his videos probably don't have $100,000 and maybe don't have $1 million. And for him to say that he doesn't respect any investor that would have less than $100,000, that is bullshit. I don't cuss too much on the channel, but yeah, that's what it was. And this is about Financial Education Jeremy. He has like over 700,000 subscribers. Like I said, he was one of the millennial monies with Meet Kevin, Graham Stephan, and all them. And I like Jeremy. I like his videos and all, but I just kind of lost respect for him to say that. And I just want to, the point I'm bringing this up, no matter how much money I make from this, no matter how much money you guys make from this, I am going to love every single one of you guys. Like, I'm never going to change. I'm never going to not respect anyone in here that supports it. Guys, I don't care if you have $100 to your name, or you have $10,000 to your name, or you have $1 million to your name. I'm going to respect everyone the same. If you're in my chats, you're positive, you're not being down there trolling and being negative, you're just being supportive of what's going on, I'm going to love all of you all the same, no matter how much money's in your bank account. So I just wanted to put that out there. Like, I love all you guys. You're positive, I'm positive. I don't care what's in your bank account. We're all going to be the Meta fam, and that's all that matters. I'm never going to be one of those big YouTubers that doesn't respect a subscriber or a viewer because you don't have enough money. That is literally bullshit. So, yeah, and that's just how I feel. I mean, you know, whatever. That's just how I feel. I don't think you should respect someone on how much money they have. I just, that rubbed me the wrong way. It really did. And when Syntax had her video, and then I watched that video, and Syntax said, you know, I hope people don't change from this amount of money they're going to get. And I look at someone, he just literally said that in his video. I'm like, oh my God, this goes hand in hand of what she said. And then I'm just letting you all know I'm not going to be that guy. I'm never going to change like that. So, okay, got those couple things off my chest. Let's get back here to what we got here. So, all right. We still trending? Yes, we are. Damn, we still are trending. Still trending number 1 on StockTwits. What do we got here on the George action right now? What are we up to on his likes? Man, George's like has almost been up here for an hour. 634 likes, 78 quote tweets, and 187 retweets. Wow. So, yeah, guys. 455 people in the chat. Let's freaking go. Let's go, guys. That is amazing. That might have been the most I've ever had in the chat. I don't know. I don't know what it is. If it is the most, I don't know. But, yeah. Pretty amazing stuff. Okay, so let's just figure this out. Let's count them up. I'm sure it's going to be like business days, possibly. So let's go here to the calendar. Let me see if I can pull up a calendar. Let's do that. Calendar 2022. Is there an image on here I could use? Is there a November? Let's see if this is correct. I don't want to shop. Yeah, everyone, smash the like button, man. Helps out a lot. You don't even know. All right, here we got a calendar. Let's see if this. Let's see if this will zoom in. This picture. Just trying to see here. Anyone will let me click. Anyone let me zoom in? None of them's gonna let me zoom in. Oh my God. Come on. None of them's gonna let me zoom in here. October calendar 2022, November. All right, does this calendar show up? Let me see if this calendar here. Okay, it is showing up. So let me just adjust my box here, guys. There we go. We got the November. You see the dates from just now on StockTwits. Let me see here what we got on the StockTwits. MMTLP trending, man. Exciting times. Right now we're blowing up. Oh man. Oh, here we go. Oh, our buddy Wedge here. Actually, let me put this back. Our buddy Wedge has a good post here on Twitter. So let's go to that. Wedge. My buddy Wedge. Someone shared his post. Where is it at? Did he do tweets and replies? Is that where it's at? Oh, here we go. Yes. So here's Wedge. Here's his post, guys. Like I said, appreciate everyone being in here, man. This is exciting times. All right, so let the countdown begin for spin out. If you're running the 15-day countdown, shorts have 9 days to cover, losing 2 weekends. And so maybe this is just calendar days and not business days. Wow. Yeah, we don't have the exact days yet. And we are basing this 15-day countdown, as I believe in the MetaFam chat, John Berta said it's probably going to be a 15-day countdown. But that'll have to remain to be seen here on Monday when the filing actually comes out. But yes, guys, I'm going to get a bottle of Mad Dog this weekend. I guarantee that. Getting a bottle of Mad Dog this weekend. And if it should be out, of course, I'll be at work Monday all day. But that Monday night, shortly after work, we'll go live. We'll get the Mad Dog out, or maybe Monday night or something. Getting the Mad Dog 2020 out, and we're going to celebrate. Absolutely. And then we can definitely celebrate because starting Wednesday at 1 p.m., your boy is off work until, whoa, find a user. There we go. Got the adult dating site out of there. Okay. What's going on, William? What's going on, man? What are you trying to say? Oh, Tony. All right, let's go to Tony. Well, let's read this real quick. I'm gonna play a video. Apparently, my buddy Tony Market Moves has a video out. And someone sent that to me. So I'm happy everyone else is going live. We should be freaking celebrating. This is exciting. So Wedge here says the 15-day countdown shorts have 9 days to cover because this could have been like perfectly timed, because if so, they're losing 2 weekends, and Thanksgiving and final day of trading would be December 2nd as the shorts lose December 3rd as well. Let's freaking go. Wedge, my man, with the amazing tweet. How did I miss that? There's just so much going on, guys. Okay. So let's go to YouTube, and we got to go to Tony Market Moves, our buddy Tony. Does he have a video out? He should come up on my feed. All right, there we go. We got Right Brain Trader is live as well. Let's pull up Tony's video, guys. Give Tony a watch here. Let's pull up Tony real quick.
Hi. So I just had to make a video because I saw a tweet by George Palacaris who says the S1 is now effective. Woohoo! Awesome. Of course, we're talking about MMTLP. This means that there will be a countdown date. We're going to see what the S1 dates are, probably on Monday. I did check the SEC website, and it is not there yet. But I believe George, so I think we're going to see some really cool stuff happening on Monday. Good luck to everyone, and woohoo! That's all I got to say. Okay, goodbye.
Heck yeah, man. Love Tony. Love Tony. Says Right Brain Trader still live. Let's go pop
Love
over
you
to his
guys.
stream.
Awesome.
Let's pop on his stream, man. Let's go to Right Brain. Let me type here on my. I can be live on my computer.
That's for sure.
Let's go to. Let's jump in and say
That's
hi.
for sure. Once we hit 7 a small.
What's up, brother? Have your live.
My dad said the same
video
thing. Terry Yorkis, what's up, brother?
Live
bro.
stream.
Yeah, you glorious bastards.
Showing the love.
So excited.
Yes. My buddy Right Brain. It's like we're live streaming back and forth.
Yeah. Love it.
Yes, man. The glorious bastard right there.
Terry's
Right Brain.
a good dude. I'm sure most of you that follow me have definitely followed him. He's got a substantially more amount of subscribers than me. He's been doing this a long time. He's great at it. Very motivating. Just a wonderful human being. If you guys, I mean, I'm sure you have, but if you haven't seen his channel, Terry Yonkis, go check him out. He's got what do you call your people over there? I call my people the glorious bastards. Oh, meta-millionaires. Meta-millionaires. And that's what we're gonna be. We have waited an exponential amount of time. We have weathered many storms of FUD. We've been run through the ringer. We've been as the gentleman on here said, his family essentially has rolled his eyes.
There we go. The future meta-millionaires, man.
But he was steadfast, and future meta-millionaires. That's what you are. And he was steadfast, and sometimes you got to go against the stream. Sometimes you got to go against the crowd. Sometimes you just gotta feel that conviction, that intuition.
466
people. Head down and you go forward in life.
All right,
you go forward in life. You don't dream about it. You work for it. You never give up. Never give up.
All right, had to stop over there, give my man some much love as well. Woo! You know, it's crazy, guys. I'm finally like, I know I said a little bit ago, but I'm actually like pretty calm right now. I'm not as shaking as I was. Yeah, there's no more like win. Hang on a second. Because you guys love this. Now. We got the answer. The answer is now. Now. Well, when S1 is right now. Oh man, it's so funny. I've had this up here in a few videos. I will miss the win S1 because it's now officially here. I'll have to put that like in a little edit there for like a video. Well, when's the S1? Well, here it is. S1 is here. Woo! Thank you, Stephen, for stopping in, man. Todd now is live. Who's Todd? I don't know if I know Todd. Who's Todd? if we hold into Nextbridge, how long until we get? Well, that we don't officially know. That's a great question there. That was who was that just said that? Sorry, the chat's moving a little quick. Cash Mountain Trades. If we hold in the Nextbridge, how long until we get paid? That is a good question because we officially don't know how long it's going to be. My prediction could be like 2 to 3 months. Could be a little bit past that. I don't know. It could be. I just refreshed StockTwits, and you can see our score is like rising like crazy right now. Rising like crazy. Hey, Craig, thank you so much. He says, if you see on the Stocks Era site, if you look at the tabs, the bar fee, FTDs, check that out. It's going to be just the pass. All right, let's go check it out. My buddy Craig here. Craig, thank you so much for the super chats, man. You don't even know. Stocks Era. I have it saved here. Oh, man, guys. And you know what really gets me excited? We might be able to start planning out the MetaFam meetup, man. All right, he says we need to borrowed shares. Oh no, the failed to deliver, he says. Sorry. Look at the fails. The bar fee says failed to deliver. Check that out from the past 2 weeks. Yeah, here's the failure to delivers. On that. Oh, it even has the T35. I've never looked at the failure to delivers, actually. Wow. Oscar, what's going on, man? Welcome in. We got Mercy, Chad, Josh, Mark, Steven. I like that my man here says he told his wife. Steven said he told his wife he had to go out and get milk to join the live stream. That's my man right there. My man had to go get a gallon of milk to go join the live stream. That's what's up. I just literally like got out of bed. I literally hopped out of bed. It's like, oh my God, I gotta go. If my wife comes over and is like, what the hell's going on? I'll say it's big stock market news. I don't know what else to say. I look to have my own room separated, or I wouldn't have been able to go. Wouldn't have been able to go live. Trust me, never wake up a woman when she's sleeping. That's one thing you never do. You never wake up your wife if she's sleeping. If you're a married man, you never wake up your wife. Don't do it. It isn't worth the consequences. I can guarantee you that. Let your wife sleep. Yes, Dennis, I'm expecting huge excitement come Monday. Absolutely. Expecting huge excitement. All right. Here we go. Yeah, that's the best advice I can ever give you. If you're married, that is advice. I know how we say we can't give you financial advice. Let me give you a little marriage advice, marital advice. Never wake up your wife when she's sleeping. That is advice. All right. So here he says the failure to deliver on 1031, 49,000. Let's go to the borrowed shares. All right. Terran stocks there. If you see the tab above the borrow fee, you see it says FTDs. Check that out. Yeah, the FTD. Yeah, so we did the borrowed shares. Looks like today, even today, this hasn't changed. Wow, they didn't even do anything. They didn't even touch the any borrowed shares. Wow. Interesting. They didn't I know, William, I don't have anything here at the house to drink, unfortunately. I was not expecting an S1 drop Friday night at midnight. I can tell you that much. I'm gonna have to see if they'll let me do an order, like a limit order in first thing on TradeStation Monday. I'm hoping TradeStation will let me. All right, Craig saying look at the FTD, but look at 1031. Jesus. All right, let's go back to that. FTD. Oh yeah, look at this. Wow, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because they do failure to deliver. Wow, it did spike up. Holy smokes. Yeah. I think you're onto something there, Craig. I really do. The amount, the teeth, and the T35 date on that would be 12.5. But yes, Larry, I know, man. It's been a journey, guys. It's been a freaking journey. It's been a journey, and it feels like we are here. I'm going to try with every little bit of money I have in my TradeStation account to buy first thing. I'm going to put in an order, and it sucks this limit order. It sucks that it's a limit order because I don't know what's going to happen with the price. I think it's going to go up like crazy. I may just have to try to put it like a good bit higher and just hope it hits. Put in a limit order for like $1 more and hope the baby hits. I don't know. Carousel's hitting those lines right now. Yeah, I think so. TD has a platform name up to 450. I have tested on TradeStation. I was able to set my sell limit at $1,000. Let me do that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put a sell order in for $1,000. Absolutely, I am. May do a 500, 1,000. I'll put a couple sell orders in, see if those babies spike up and hit. Guys, I was, man, I you don't even know, like, I am totally like shocked and just overjoyed that this many people was in here on a well, now technically for me it's Saturday morning, 1:18 a.m. Wow. I am just, this is how invested we are in this play, man. Here we are, blood, sweat, and tears into this play, and yeah, exciting times. Well, here's something funny. My wife wants to get a new iPhone, so I think we can get her an iPhone. What do you think, guys? Can we get the wife? She wants a new iPhone for Christmas. I think it's the new iPhone 14 Pro or whatever. We're going to the mall tomorrow to go get her an iPhone. And I think she wants to get one of the Apple Watches. So, yeah. Like, honey, I got good news. We might be able to go ahead and get you that phone and that watch you've been wanting. So yeah, I think we'll celebrate tomorrow with getting the wife a new phone. I'm keeping my phone. I like my phone. But yeah, we're gonna buy an Apple phone for her, get her a watch. Yeah, I appreciate everyone here in the chat, man. Man, you all are oh, Jenny, I need a new man for Christmas. Oh no, Jenny. I hope you're doing well, Jenny. I really hope everyone's doing good, man. I really hope everyone, you know, and, you know, I hope you guys, there you go. We got people here. Pick me, pick me. Everyone's like, pick me. Hey, you never know. We do this like official Meta fan meetup. We do one in Vegas. We do one on the cruise. We do both or whatever happens. Who knows, man? I mean, we all have that in common. There could be connections made. I'm not saying this is like, you know, a freaking dating, you know, arrangement, but you never know. You know. All right. Yeah, new phone, throw in the watch. Yep. She has to have the watch. So, yeah. E-Trade let Dawn sell orders at 1,000 and 2,000. Wow. Yeah, where is Ramen Soup at? The Ramen Soup. Where'd he go? All right. Are MMTLP transferable? Need to transfer from Webull to Fidelity? Bunny, that is a good question. I don't know because I don't have any MMTLP. I've never did any like broker transfers, so I'm not really, I can say, have much experience in transferring brokerages like that. I generally just would either sell a stock and rebuy it on the other platform, but I know MMTLP you can't really do that because you know you got a cost basis. I don't know. Maybe check with Fidelity. Timothy Barker says, I have transferred from Webull to Fidelity. So, yeah. Do it through Fidelity. Yeah. So I hold my shares, the main shares of mine are in Fidelity, and I have some on TradeStation as well. So my Fidelity shares, I'm really not touching because they don't let you set those high sell limits. So I'm really just kind of letting those set off to the side until prices get kind of high up there. Then we can set higher sell limits. But TradeStation does let you set very high sell limits. So I could put like $1,000. I didn't try any higher than 1,000. But I just did we're on Google Trends. Oh yeah, I forgot to check that. We should be all I gotta type is G on my Google and it knows to go to Google Trends. Thank you so much for the person that just mentioned the Google Trends. Oh yeah, check that out. Woo! Wow, guys, check this stuff out. Let me get this here. Wow, MMTLP, look at this here. From the 13th to the 19th, 86 search. I wonder if it lets me do the past hour. Now, there's no way that's freaking wrong. That has to be wrong. There's no way that's right for the 1 hour chart. Everyone has to be searching it now. But yeah, I mean, the 7 days. What it does, guys, or was it the 30 days? Or was it the year? Past 12. That's the one, yeah. I like looking at really the 12-month chart because it gives you like weeks at a time. And I think that's a fair judgment because it's like, what is the overall Google trend for the week? And I like that. And here for this week, November 13th through the 19th, we had an 86. 86. Now, I don't know if it's still, when it's dotted like that, it's still calculating because it probably didn't take in, because today's the 19th. So we probably will reach 100 because it's probably going to be so many people searching. Okay. A lot of people's asking, what's going to happen about MMAT? So let's go to search term. MMAT. NASDAQ MMAT. Look at that. Wow. Let's go. MMAT at 100. Wow. People was searching, guys. MMAT had a lot of exposure this week with the grand opening. Jenny, thank you so much, Jenny. Much love, Jenny. I truly appreciate it. Terry, time to buy that bird suit. Yes, absolutely. I have a feeling I will be buying a bird suit. Now, I'll probably just get like the hat and all, because the suit would probably make me really hot. I know a lot of times Roller Pigeon says in her videos the whole suit gets her really hot. And I'm kind of a person that does get very hot easily. So I probably will just do like the hat. I think that'll probably be efficient enough. Because if I do a whole suit, your boy's going to sweat like crazy. And I really don't want to sweat up a storm when doing a video. But yeah, I think I could do the hat and all. We could do the bird hat. Absolutely. That'll be in homage there to Roller Pidge. But yeah, man, look at this here. MMAT. From November 13th to the 19th is 100 Google Trends. People is searching it. Look at the week before. November 6th to the 12th. 85. Look at the week before that. October 3rd through November 5th. A 95. The last 3 weeks is a 95, 85, and 100. 100. 95, 85, and 100 Google Trends for MMAT stock, guys. What that goes to prove is that the market makers these last few days are manipulating the stock. That's exactly what that means. What's going to happen in here is, what they're not going to account for, there's going to be a lot of people making money from MMTLP. What they don't think is retail is smart enough to take that money and reinvest it back into this stock. And what's going to happen is there's going to be a lot of volume pouring into MMAT. Some crazy volume. Considering, guys, you got people coming into large sums of money. People coming into 20,000. People coming into 50,000. People coming into 100,000. People maybe coming into $500,000, $1 million, $2 million plus dollars. A lot of people is going to come into some money. And you look over here at a stock. Where's it at? Trading at $1.65. What's going to happen if someone has $50,000 and they take 10,000 or 20,000 of it and throw it back in here? What if someone has 100,000 and says, I want to put 50,000 of that, half of it back into MMAT? What's going to happen? You know how many shares? That's going to add up so quick, you know? All right, we got Brant with the super chat, man. Thank you so much. To all the OG people, the fatality is ending near. Hold strong, we got this. Yes. Let's have a little heart-to-heart here. We are super excited. We are super pumped. Is the shorts going to try anything in this countdown to the record date, distribution date? Are they going to try tricks? Are they going to try to scare us? You best believe they are. They are going to do whatever it takes to scare us out of our position. Keep in mind, we don't have a time limit. They do. If they're out there trading synthetic shares, naked shorts, they don't have the physical shares. They're going to have to buy them at whatever price we set. Because we're the only ones that legit has the shares. I have a video done months back where I spoke with Fidelity. And I confirmed with that representative on Fidelity. Fidelity is a reputable broker that has been out there for like 100 years or whatever. They've been out 50 to 100 years. Fidelity is like one of the most trusted brokerages out there, guys. It's like a legacy brokerage. That representative said that they only trade the shares that they have, that they don't even allow like basically naked synthetics and all that on there. Now, whether that's true or not, I don't know. That's what the representative told me. But what's going to happen is, well, Fidelity has made it phone call only to buy months ago. I think it was back maybe like March or April of this year. So like 9 months ago. All right, so I got people in the chat saying Roller Pidge dropped the video. All right, let's go check her video. We watched Tony Market Move's video. We went on the Right Brain Traders. Let's go give Pidge some love. What's she got coming up here? Where's Pidge at? Here it is. She has a 5-minute video. Let's go give her some love. Let me get my, let me get this adjusted here.
Create a professional logo that best reflects
yes,
your
we
brand.
did. We're going to go watch Roller Pidge's video
Just
together.
go to Wix Logo Maker.
Hey, it's me again. And it's a late night bird. I'm a night owl right now. It's like midnight here. Let me preface this by saying that this is not financial advice. This is entertainment. Hence, I wear a costume. Are you not entertained?
Which we all be probably wearing
This is
costumes
my own
soon.
personal blog. You are following me along on my own journey. You are watching One Bird's Thoughts. And about half hour ago, George Palacaris tweeted that the S1 is effective. So that means it was approved by the SEC and FINRA. Monday's go time. I expect Monday is when you'll see an Edgar filing with the dates, as well as a PR from Nextbridge about when the last day for MMTLP will be, and MMTLP will go by. That's step 4. We're on step 4. Step 4. All right, we're on step 4 of this. Step 4. So I expect there to be a filing Monday, probably pre-market if he's saying something late night, Friday, early Saturday. We will see when the date is, as this coming week, we don't have any trading on Thanksgiving, which is Thursday for any non-American. It's Thursday's Thanksgiving. It's a holiday. Friday is also a holiday in America. It's Black Friday, although I'm very sad that no stores really do Black Friday. Friday's half-day trading. So, you know, it might be 10 days, it might be 9 days. I don't know. We'll see what the dates say when the filing comes on Monday. It's a very exciting time. Remember, MMTLP is on the OTC. There's no options. And there's no after hours and pre-market trading.
Yep.
It works in our favor. All of these things work in our favor.
Yes.
Being on the OTC, expect it to go from 10, 15, 20, and then up quickly to 100, very quickly. Price can go up more quickly on the OTC than compared to an actual exchange like NASDAQ, where it'd be halted. There's no volatility halts on the OTC, hence it can go up very quickly. Remember your trading, have a plan. I start selling my shares at the triple digits because, again, I look at the underlying value of the oil and gas for the Oro Grande, and I think about getting shares in a big oil company, which would be a tax-free event, keeping those shares, getting quarterly dividends that would accumulate, as well as value in the big oil company. And I've talked about how previous oil deals, the stock went up at acquiring oil and gas assets. Imagine how much that stock would go up, big oil, if they acquired 3.2 billion barrels of oil and a lot of gas. It's coming
Exactly.
to fruition. Know your emotions. I say don't trade on emotions. That's impossible not to do. Just know your emotions. Maybe have your plan up here. My plan has pretty much been set by different sell limits. I have different sell limit orders. This way I'm not too tempted to try and overthink things. I also have about 15-20% which don't have any price attached to it. It might be the sky's the limit. We will see. I'm trying to get different confirmations on just how many short shares there are in total. How many times MMTLP must be rebought to repay all those short shares?
A lot.
This can be exciting, guys. A lot of people are excited. We're ready for takeoff like a bird. Down the runway like an albatross. Okay, guys, that's a quick video. I'll go more in depth. And probably Monday I might do a live stream with price action. Tuesday I have puppy class. I have the pre-agility class with my dog. But, Wednesday we're good. There's class on Tuesday, but Wednesday we're good. So I'll be live streaming quite a bit with the price action as this is trading. Some people have asked me, should I set a sell limit or should I just watch it and sell when I want to? And I said, for that, whatever you're most confident in. You can watch it and then sell it, or maybe you'd be more confident just having a pre-programmed thing and being happy with that. It's whatever you're more confident in. There's no one correct way to do this. It's up to you. This is your choice. It's individual.
Agreed.
Celebrate your individuality. Okay, guys, short video today. I will see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.
This is the future of cooking. Delicious
All right,
meals
guys.
with zero effort.
There we go. I love that everyone's coming out, like, doing the videos, man. It's so awesome. I love it. Wow. It is truly, truly amazing stuff. So let's go back here to the George tweet. Where are we at now on the George? Wow. 792 likes, 90 quote retweets, or 90 quoted tweets, and here we got 232 retweets. Is it possible MMAT hits that? Absolutely, it's possible. Will it happen? I don't know. There's always a chance it will, there's a chance it won't. I mean, if they have to cover these 80 million shorts from the Torchlight Energy days, ooh, I would not want to be in their shoes right now. I would not want to be in their shoes. And it's exciting times. Wow. Yeah. Exciting times, guys. Oh, man, I'm just so excited. I seen someone up in the chat just mention about green thrifty life. It's almost been 2 years now, and I've been in this. I'm beyond thrilled. And Where is it at? Oh, yeah, up here it was, the other one. Literally so excited. I'm in tears. My son came in and asked why. And man, I can maybe finally buy a house. Oh my God. Man, I'm so happy for you. I hope that you're able to buy a house when this is all said and done. If you guys remember, my goal on this journey was, when I was buying this, my initial goal was enough to pay off my house. That was the goal. I had strong conviction in this play, and I'm really hoping that when this is all said and done, things work out to how I kind of plan. Maybe not exactly the plan, because it can go a lot better than I planned. And hoping to pay off the house, set enough money back for taxes, and let the tax man do what he needs to do. Pay off the house, be good to go, have extra cash sitting around. So yeah, I believe a lot of us, we talked about this in the live stream before, a lot of us are going to be in different tax brackets. Especially if this thing, could you imagine, guys, this thing hits $500 to $1,000 a share and you sell a couple hundred shares, woo, you're instantly jumping into, like, you know, high tax brackets just on that alone. Just on that alone. So the tax man part's going to be very complicated if we sell on these high spikes. So you definitely want to get with your tax person and tell them how much money you made and ask them how much you should set back for taxes. George's tweet now is up to 112 likes. Wow, they're just popping up as we're doing the stream. Yeah, so that's one thing that I can say you definitely should check into, is if you do sell, contact your tax professional and make sure. Let's go back to stock twits too. Thank you guys for that. Contact your tax professional. Look at this score, 23.98. Let's into most active. All right, MMTLP is creeping up here. Number 10 on the most active. But we're still trending number 1, man. Our trending is just going crazy. We got someone saying here that TD Ameritrade platform enables selling up to 450. Yeah, I saw someone up here comment about Fidelity. I haven't even tried to set a sell limit on Fidelity because I know people are saying the sell limits are really low, and I'm not selling for $50. So not happening. We need to get the triple digits until we can at least do $100, $200, $300. Then we will maybe set some limits to sell just a little portion of the shares. We're talking like 100 shares at a time. We're not selling in huge blocks. You know what I mean? We're not selling in huge blocks. We'll give them little breadcrumbs starting at $100. Breadcrumbs, $100. Breadcrumbs, $200. Breadcrumbs at $300. And as it squeezes up, we'll give them some more shares as it goes. That's kind of the yeah. Anyone know the limit on Chase? No, I don't know the limit on Chase. Wow, guys, I'm just excited. How we can get rid of that. We got the stocks era. We go into the Google Trends. Exciting times. Yeah, Craig said, let's do that for a little bit. He says he can't even find his post because the stock twits is going so crazy. Let's just see here. We just joined the chat. And let's see how many, if it does that thing where it does the post of how many it does usually, I think. If I go down here. It may even be froze, guys. That could be it. It could be froze here because usually it has, we are real time. Don't be messing up on me. I think it can't even keep up what's going on. I love the memes. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at this number. Look at this number. Look at that number popping up there. That's what we want to see. So we're going to sit here and chat. We're going to see how many posts come up on MMTLP here. I think it is broke too because it was like not loading. Bobby says his stock twit says 55 new posts. Wow. Congrats, Todd. 2,700 shares and 1,000 are in his HSA, which is tax-free. That is awesome, man. I'm so happy for you, brother. I am so happy for you. At these prices hit, we think those 2,700 shares could be worth a heck of a lot of money. Yeah, and we're all hoping on this that MMAT gets a little price action as well. Absolutely. We want the double squeeze, man. We want to get some good payouts on MMTLP because we want to teach those shorts a lesson. And on the flip side of that, we want to go and buy a little bit of MMAT as well, get that price up, and get some profit out of that baby as well. That is the that's the goal, guys. That is the freaking goal. All right, let's keep going over the comments here. James says, glad to see you all get paid, but sad I sold. Yeah, it sucks, James, but hey, I'm never going to be mad for anyone that sells, man. Hey, if you got a profit, good for you. You know, we talked about this in videos that if you sell, good luck buying back in, you know? Like, good luck getting back in, because trying to play this as a swing trade is going to be very tough. Yeah. It's going to be very hard to swing trade this because now that this S1 came out, man, I don't know what the price action is going to be Monday. And I'm going to tell you right now, mark my words, if the shorts manipulate the stock and drive it down in any significant way, I will sell pretty much all my other stocks, except MMAT, of course. But I'll sell their stocks on all my other brokerages and freaking buy MMTLP. You best believe it. I will buy. I will do what I have to do because now we got a countdown. We know it's coming. If they drop the price down, we're just going to trap them even more. So that's the goal, man. That's just the overall goal. All right, what do we got here? Just going over the comments here real quick. Won't brokers start to prevent? You would think that the brokers are going to stop. You would think the brokers wouldn't let them short no more, but we'll see. I mean, the brokers are going to be on the hook for these, you know, shares when it goes private. They're going to be on the hook. We got a great post here from Derek. So long, if it wasn't for YouTubers, I'd be gone. See, that's what I'm saying, man. That's why I've been out here with the daily videos, because I know people truly like believe in metamaterials. They believe in MMTLP. They believe in the Oro Grande project, the oil and gas assets, the 3.2 to 3.7 billion barrels of oil, 134,000 net acres, well locations, potential well locations for days. You guys seen the videos. There's so much potential in this, and we all just need a little reassurance to help us get through that long wait and not make a, you know, there's how many people do we know that made a mistake and sold MMTLP at like $1.50? Can you imagine how they're feeling now? I mean, at least if you're selling up here, you've made pretty good money if you were buying back then. But let's say you bought it at $1.50 and you held it for like 8 months and you sold it again for $1.50. And literally a couple months later, here it is trading at $9. That'd be kind of disheartening, you know, because you didn't have the patience to wait. So that was my goal. Come out here every day, go over the information, keep you all up to date, get y'all smile, get y'all smiling at the camera, and keep you all in check that, hey, look, if you ever felt that you don't believe in metamaterials, you don't believe in what the oil and gas assets is worth, then sell. Absolutely. If you don't believe in it, then sell it. But if you still believe in it and you're just getting impatient, that's not a reason to sell. That is not a reason to sell. Like I said, of course, I can't tell you when to sell, when to buy, what to do, but I just always ask you to ask yourself, you know, so like number one, do you still believe in MMAT? Do you believe in the oil and gas assets? Do you believe they're valuable? Do you believe they're going to go up from these current prices? If you answer yes to that, then I'm here to keep you positive and not sell your position. But if you say, I don't believe in what's going to happen with MMAT's future, I don't believe in the value in the oil and gas assets, then you have every right to go ahead and sell that position because you don't believe in it no more. So, whew. This adult, say it again. Let me hide them again. I just deleted one of these people earlier, and now they come back. Okay. There we go. All right. Yeah, I know, the spamming adult site again. All right. Shoo. All right, guys. Yeah, 22 new posts. Let's go over these posts real quick. Let me adjust this. I just like to see what people's posting because it is kind of And Jenny, how do I get on this adult dating site? Jenny, you're so funny. I bet Jenny's gonna be a fun one to meet, man. I bet she's really fun in person. I can just picture that. I hope I really get to meet all of you all one day, man. I really hope I do. I really hope I get to meet all you guys. Be able to put a face to the YouTube name. That's gonna be exciting. Hopefully we can organize something and make this happen here after the payout. Oh, Jam, man, he put it on StockTwits knowing that we're on the post. Terry, we love you, man. Thank you so much, brother. We love you too. What's going on here? Is it not letting me hit a like on that? Oh, StockTwits, what are you doing? Sorry, guys. MMTLP. What's going on here with the StockTwits? Oh, I think StockTwits is messing up again, guys. Or I'm messing up, one of the two. All right. It's here, scroll up. We could rent out a stadium. Hey, Mercy says, Jenny, I love you. Jenny with the laugh face. I know, man. I'm just going to be... Oh, there we got some posts. There we go. Yeah, got the live stream on there. Thank you so much. Oh, it's not going to let me do it because I'm not signed in because I have it on my phone. But that's okay. I see it coming up there, man. I appreciate all you guys sharing it in here, man. You guys are the best. Hey, Tony Market Moves. What's going on, brother? Literally, me and Tony literally was talking on Twitter. And I told Tony goodnight. And literally, I was laying down. I was literally like laying down in bed after talking with Tony. We were talking about some stuff. We were talking about cryptocurrencies and stuff. So maybe we'll talk about that later on once we get a huge payout here. We're talking about once we get some money, other plays we're going to look into. So maybe we'll talk about that down the road. Right now, we're still focused on this because we haven't officially got paid yet. We got to get paid on this. Then we can talk about future investments to diversify your portfolio. But anyway, told Tony good night. Thank you so much. We had a great conversation. I'm laying down. I'm like just surfing on my phone for another little bit. And I see a Twitter notification pop up and boom, it's freaking George. And all I see is this. The S1 is now, I'm like, oh my God. I literally hop out of the bed. I come over here all super tired. And come over here and we just get rolling. I do another tweet saying that we're going live in 10 minutes. I'm just throwing something together real quick and getting on here. Made a quick thumbnail and boom. It felt like the longest like 10 minutes trying to get everything done because I was nervous. My hands were cold. I was shaking. I was just so nervous. All right. So, yeah, super tired. No drink. I do have a little bit of my soda left here. All right, guys. So we have been live for a little over an hour and a half now. I want to say thank you to everyone that has participated in the live stream. Everyone that has smashed the thumbs up. Everyone that has left a comment down below. Tony here says that it's going to be a super short trading week due to Thanksgiving. Absolutely. So keep that in mind. It's going to be an interesting week of trading. And I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. We had a lot of heartfelt conversations in this stream. And I mean everything I said in the stream, guys. I mean everything I said in this stream. So Hope you all have a great night. I'm going to go lay back in bed. I don't know when I'll be able to go to sleep. I'm going to have to unwind again because I'm so wound up when this came out. So, all right, guys. I will catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.